everyone, I am Akshaya. Today I am going to give a speech about Gandhiji's message on humanity. Through the ages, philosophers, scholars and thinkers have been writing about love for fellow beings. Love and affection to all humanity occupies a unique place in ancient Indian philosophy, spiritual thinking and traditions. Love is the vital issue, and if we decide to analyze concepts related to it or explain its effects and experiences, we need to produce volumes, and that too with all possibilities of not arriving at any concrete conclusion in this regard. Therefore, accepting effect, importance and vitality of love, if we analyze the issue in hand, it will be appropriate. Each and every one of them had his own view or definition of love. Like other great men, Mahatma Gandhi also wrote occasionally about love for all human beings. He did not believe in discrimination on grounds of caste, color, creed or religion. To him, all humans under the sky are children of God and thus have right to be loved and cared equally. Moreover, in his writings and speeches, he not only discussed it, but side by side mentioned its importance in man's life. Gandhi stressed on going forward on pathway to love in an atmosphere of mutual respect for each other's feelings, explicated his desire for certainty of love free from egotism, prejudice and selfishness. He had put forth an atmosphere of mutual and trust is the first step in his direction. Gandhi also stressed on connecting humility with service, as humility itself a high moral value and one of the superior characteristics of human beings. It is necessary that in service through humility, love for all living beings and particularly for humanity remains intact. In context of humility, Mahatma Gandhi has put forth a life of service must be one of humility. He who would sacrifice his life for others has hardly time to reserve for himself a place in the sun. Love is the ornament of life and simultaneously an unambiguous and practical way to human unity. Moreover, it is the pathway to peace. That's why Gandhi has said, we shall go from love to love and peace to peace. For until at least crores from all corners of the world are conversant with that love and peace for which the whole world is hungering. Here is some thoughts about humanity which was written by Gandhiji. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. A man is but the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. I call him religious who understands the suffering of others. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. Thank you.